Hello. Welcome back again to the channel. Let's continue with Geometry in Figures number 1.17. Okay, so we have this situation where we have an inscribed circle here, and also if we extend the sides of the, I think this is called the in circle, and that is an X circle. Okay, so if we have an in circle and an X circle like that, and those 2 points are the point of contacts between the circle and the base of the triangle, we claim that the length of that segment must be equal to the length of that segment. Okay, if you want to try, go ahead. If you need some hint, basically we just need to use the idea from the problem 1.16 and also 1.15. It's basically the same thing. Okay, so let's just label instead of coloring. Okay, so let's give a mark here for the point of contact, and also here. Okay, if we call this as A, right, then that one is also A. Why? Because that A is the distance from that point to the tangent point, which is the same to the distance from that point to that point as well. Okay, if this is B, that should be B as well. If this is C, that should be C. Okay, and if this is D, that should be D. Okay, so now how can we see it? Okay, so what we can see is that so what we want to show is that D is equal to B, right? Okay, so let's call this as X. Okay, so from the picture we can see that C plus D plus X, or C is equal to D plus X, right? A certainly is equal to A, B certainly is equal to B. Okay, so what else do we see? Okay, so this is A plus, okay, sorry, I need to use this one as well. Okay, maybe the picture is not that good, and we call this as Y. Okay, so this length must be equal to that length, right? Because that's the distance from a point to the tangent points. Yeah. Okay, so what we can say is that A plus C plus D must be equal to A plus B plus Y. Okay, if we cancel the A's, we have C plus D is equal to B plus Y. But what is C exactly? C is D plus X. Is equal to B plus Y. Okay, is there anything that we can cancel? Let's see. So we have used the property of point of contact of this circle. How about this circle? Okay, so if we look at the distance from this point to both of them, so we can see that y is exactly b plus x, right? So we can replace this y by b plus x. Okay, so d plus x. We cancel the x, we have 2d is equal to 2b. Therefore, d must be equal to b, so that the length of that segment is exactly the length of that segment. Okay, thank you for watching. See you again on the next video. Bye-bye.